Hey guys, I screen recorded this video for a channel called the Gilbert Bystander. I was going to mirror this video a while back. I totally skipped it, so I'm going to go ahead and mirror that now, and I'm going to tell you guys something else. I'm actually headed out to Arizona pretty soon, and I'm going to hopefully meet up with the Gilbert Bystander. I'll be meeting up with James Freeman and Direct D out in Arizona. Hopefully I get to meet a lot of the guys out there. Check out this video. Check out how he doesn't let the officers punk him and push him around. Go subscribe. I'll see you guys in this comment section.
What now?
We appreciate you being here. You have the right to do your thing. We just want everyone on this side.
So do I have a right to be here?
The reason, if you're here for the rally, yes, you do want to be here. The business do want to pursue charges for trespassing.
Trespassing by who?
These businesses. Sir, look.
They would have to ask me to leave before you would trespass me though, right? No, I'm just trying to ask.
Yes.
Because what you're saying, because what you're, no, you can't trespass me because this isn't your business. For what reason?
Because this is where the area is for you guys to be doing this.
What do you mean by you guys? I'm not you guys. I'm myself. I'm not with anybody.
Whoever organized this,
what do you mean?
That everybody's going to be that way.
I didn't agree. I didn't agree that with anybody. And if you're going to trespass me, it's from private property. This is public property.
Okay, again, I'm telling you, you got to stay there.
And I'm telling you that this is public property, and I'm not going to leave.
I don't want to have to call command. They already have trespassing set up for all public property and private property.
You can trespass people on public property?
Sir, can you step over here to this side?
Don't listen to him, man. You're going to listen to him?
Here, dude. Yeah, hey, that's how it's done, bro. Hey, we're asking nice. I don't want to cause any issues. You just go over there, that'd be great.
Like 2 feet, really?
It is. Because if something happens, they don't want people running across the road.
I don't know, man. It don't sit well with me.
I'm sorry, that's the rules.
It's the rules.
Whoever organized
It's the rules.
They agreed to it. Both sides did.
It's the rules.
It is.
Which rules?
I just told you, bro. Whoever organized this agreed to it on both sides.
Okay, well, that's not me, so you're talking to somebody else.
One of the things that I like about these Arizona channels is they have a lot of unity out there. They're sticking together and they back each other up. You guys stay tuned for some of my videos. I'll be out in Arizona recording with these guys. Like I said, I'll be meeting up with James Freeman, Direct D, and hopefully some other guys out there. Thank you guys so much for the support you give me and all the other channels. I'll see you in Gilbert Bystander's channel.
You are not subscribed. Do it now or get off YouTube, bitches.